Welcome. In this section, we will be creating UI animation system driven by coroutines, which you can use in your own projects. To start, let's create a folder. Let's call it script. Inside, create folder called UI Animator. And the last folder called driver. Inside, create C# script called driver as well. Open it, clean the file. Let's create float variable duration, which will be public, and a private method return type of IEnumerator called driver routine, which will be our coroutine. Inside it, let's create float variable called elapsed time, which equals to 0. And let's create while loop with the condition elapsed time is less than or equal to duration. Inside while loop, let's add to elapsed time time to delta time. Let's create a float result called elapsed time divide duration, which will ensure our result will be always between 0 and 1. To test it, let's write the result to the debug log. At the end, don't forget to finish our while loop with yield return null statement. Now our driver class will need two more methods for running and stopping the coroutines. So let's write first called run and second called stop. Both will be public. Let's change coloring for better visibility. Let's create IEnumerator variable called routine. Inside run method, routine equals driver routine, our coroutine, and we will start it. Inside stop method, we need to check if our routine exists, and if yes, we need to stop it first. And we will include the stop also inside the run method. Now to check it, first download the resources from the lesson and let's import them inside the Unity. So from the prefabs folder, let's drag and drop star buttons to the scene. And the star buttons include the canvas. And that's why we need also import event system to the scene, so our mouse clicks will be recognized properly. Let's create a new game object and let's call it driver tester. And let's drag and drop our driver component on it and change the duration to 1 second. Now open the star button, open the panel, click on button play. Let's scroll down to on-click event and click on the plus. And let's fill the driver inside it and choose the driver run. Inside the button stop, do the same. Fill the driver on it from the driver tester object and fill the driver and stop. To properly test it, let's press play inside the editor and let's also press our green button on the canvas. And now we see the results are basically going from 0 and 1, and we can also stop them during the play. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching.